Hello everyone and welcome in another nail art tutorial. For today, my nail art will be inspired by Sofia Vergara. Well, I just love saying her name like that, so okay. It's inspired by Sofia Vergara's perfume, Love. Guess what? Not only the packaging is elegant and beautiful, the scent of it is musky, clean, and also very elegant. When I search for the composition of the perfume, its combinations are Colombian coffee blossom, purple orchid, orris root and magnolia, laid on the base of amber seed, amberwood, praline, and vanilla. Okay, so now this sounds like a promotional video for the perfume, but it's not. We bought this perfume and this video is not sponsored by anyone. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. I painted white nail polish over my peel-off base coat. Oh, and I also applied some oil to the skin around my nails for an easier cleanup because we will be doing some gradients next. On a sponge, let's apply some black and a darker nude and a lighter shade of nude. Then dab it onto your nails. Repeat painting and dabbing until it's fully opaque. Then after the cleanup, apply top coat and let it dry. After letting that dry, apply a striping tape just like this and apply a rose gold shade. Remove the striping tape right away before the polish dries. Then do the cleanup and that's it! Never forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Share this video to your awesome friends. And see to it that you subscribe to my channel. That's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!